This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF document on your Samsung device. First, open the PDF you need to sign using an application like Samsung Notes or another preferred PDF viewer. Once the document is open, look for the editing or markup tools, which are usually found at the top or bottom of your screen. Make sure your device's software is up to date for the best experience. This initial step is crucial for accessing all the necessary features. Next, you'll need to locate the signature tool within your chosen application. This tool often appears as a pen, a pencil, or a distinct signature icon in the toolbar. Tap on it to activate the drawing or writing mode. Some applications might present an option like Fill and Sign or Add Signature that you'll need to select. Taking a moment to find this specific tool is key to proceeding with your digital signature. Now, it's time to create your signature. Using your finger or an S Pen, carefully draw your signature directly onto the screen. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can usually undo and redraw it. Once drawn, you can easily adjust its size by dragging the corners and reposition it precisely where you want it on the document. You might also have options to change the color and thickness of the signature line. Finally, after you've placed your signature exactly where you want it, you'll need to save the document. Look for a Done, Save, or Export option, typically found in the top right or bottom of the screen. It's a good practice to save it as a new PDF file, ensuring you keep the original unsigned version intact. You can then easily share your newly signed document directly from the app via email or messaging services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.